Okay, we have a 97 Mariah. It's got a 305 in it with a Bravo 1, I believe, outboard. And it's been wet sanded and polished and sealed. Bottom with ceramic and the top with a UV wax. This is the owner of the boat. This is Jim. You happy with it, Jim?
So far, it's looking fantastic, honestly.
Great, great. I think it's an awesome boat. It's beautiful.
It's come a long way.
So if we go around to the other side, we'll see exactly what we're dealing with. Very dull, back to bright. This is wet sanded. And then of course come around to the front, and there's quite a difference in the hull.